Hey everyone, I'm Sean Wilson. I'm the Executive Director at UAS Professional Pilots. I'm an FAA certified remote pilot, but I'm also a digital marketing expert. Today I wanted to put together a quick video to share with you my thoughts on the importance of your web demo reel and your website, and how these two things can convert people into actual customers. You see, back in the days before the web, your business card was your main way to tell people about your company. While a business card is still an important tool, your best way to make a great impression today is your website. Today, a compelling website that is designed to look right on a phone is necessary to convert strangers into customers. That being said, your demo reel is what I want to focus on for a minute because I think it's the most important thing. Think of your demo reel as your new 21st century business card. You know, the honest truth is that nobody really cares about how long you've been a drone pilot, or how big your office is, or even what kind of drones you fly. What they want to see is your work, and if they love it, they'll hire you to do the same thing for them. In December of 2016, Google asked me to sponsor their Digital Marketing Summit, and the subject of discussion was the future of marketing. Their message to the entire audience was that video was the future of marketing, and the reason they asked me to sponsor their event was because they believe drone video is the future of video. This is because drone video captivates us immediately, making it super effective for marketers. Our minds just aren't used to seeing images from these perspectives, and when we see drone footage, it stops us dead in our tracks and we have to watch. This is why you have to be great, not good, but great. And your demo reel has to show that off and speak for itself. Let me show you some stats on video to really drive this point home. Today, over 79% of all global consumer internet traffic comes from video. We're not talking about sometime in the future, we're talking about right now. And video generates 1,200% more shares than text and images combined. And what that means is that people react to video. When was the last time you were scrolling through something and the video is already rolling and it stopped you dead in your tracks versus just rolling through a static image and stopping? Your demo reel has to hit a home run or people just won't pay attention. The great thing is that as drone pilots, we have the most sophisticated and amazing video equipment right at the tips of our fingers. If you can't show your potential customers what you're capable of doing for them in a few short minutes, those website visitors that you spent so much time and money cultivating will be gone and off to the next pilot in their Google search results. So let's talk about the web for a second. Here's a great example of what I'm talking about when it comes to web design and your demo video. We're going to use AGL drone services as an example. When you visit it on a mobile, it's a great example of a mobile-friendly website that delivers everything that you need in a glance. Let's go over it and see why. The first thing I'm going to do is talk about all of the elements on this page. The first thing is branding. The logo is forefront. Then AGL lets visitors make a quick decision about what they want to do with 3 simple choices. These are the 3 main areas that AGL focuses on. And if visitors want more information about these things, they can quickly decide and click what they need. They have a very short About Us section with social links, and it's short because people really don't want to read these days. Then you get into a few demo reels, because this is the stuff that people really want to see. This is the eye candy. By the way, these demo videos are YouTube embeds because it subtly promotes their YouTube channel at the same time. Then AGL provides customer education, and that is super important. Then it's right to their contact info. They have their phone number right there. Or, if people don't want to call, they can fill out the form. But let's see what this looks like in a mobile environment because that's the most important thing. AGL formats a page specifically for mobile, and then they turn certain things on and off to make the best use of the screen real estate. The first impression is the AGL logo and their primary service areas. Then they get into videos, a video about the importance of hiring drone professionals and the dangers of hiring a non-pro, then the very short About Us section. Then it gets into the demo reels, exactly what people want to see. Finally, how to contact them. It doesn't take you long to get a feel for exactly who AGL is, what they offer, and how to reach out to them. Now I want to leave you with one actionable piece of advice that relates to your own website. Something a lot of people neglect to do, but can make a huge impact on your revenue over the course of the next year. I want you to call someone you know, a friend or a family member who has never been on your website, and ask them to pull up your website on their phone. Then tell them to pretend that they're a customer and using the website only on their phone, reach out to you for a quote. Hang up the phone and let them do what they're going to do, and then wait for them to get back and contact you. First, time how long it takes them to be able to find a way to connect with you. Then ask them on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being super easy, how hard was it for them to use your website on their mobile phone and find a path back to contacting you? If you had a demo reel, ask them to give you honest feedback about that as well. Now, I want you to take all of that feedback and find a way to make your entire customer experience better. Remember, 90% of people these days see you first on their mobile phone, so make your website look amazing on a phone first and foremost. Make sure it's easy for people to see your logo and a very short snippet about who you are and what your company is all about. And remember, people do not want to read. Have an amazing demo video to show off exactly what you're capable of doing, and then follow that up with a clear, actionable contact form that allows them to either pick up the phone or click a link and send you an email or fill out a form quickly for a quote. Just make sure they can do it quick and easy from their phone. So that's it for today's tidbit. If you have any questions, feel free to write them in the comments and we'll answer them as quickly as we can. And as always, if you like this type of video, leave your comments below and share this in other forums if you think it would be helpful to others. I really appreciate you taking the time out of your day to spend with me, and I hope this was all worth it. And for Gold Seal, I'm Sean Wilson.